Hello everyone. Are you a music person? Someone who enjoys listening to music every single minute of your leisure time? Then I have something interesting to share with you. Also, if you are someone struggling with stress, anxiety, depression, and your ability to recall things, then I have something interesting for you too. What am I talking about? I am trying to convey the incredible power of music on your brain and in turn on your memory. Yes, you heard me right. Music can potentially stimulate neurogenesis. Tell me, what is neurogenesis? Neuro means a nerve and genesis means generating. So, as the name suggests, neurogenesis is the process of generating new neurons. But where? In the brain, particularly in the hippocampus region of the brain. What is special of this region? So this region in the brain is responsible for memory, emotional and spatial processing. So music can activate brain region which is responsible for emotional, memory and spatial processing, which in turn can activate the production of new neurons. Music has an incredible impact on human psychology. An article very recently published by the University of Central Florida says music has a great impact on brain function and human behavior. Do you think this is a science myth? This is not a science myth. Have you heard of canaries? Canaries are seasonal songbirds, and the birds stop singing in autumn months. This is because the brain cells responsible for song generation die off in autumn season, but they grow back over again in winter months. So the bird starts learning songs over back in spring. A research was conducted on Alzheimer's patients. Usually during the late stages, they are quite unresponsive. But when they started listening to their favorite music with headphones on the MRI of the brain, it shows different parts of the brain lights up. This means music has a great impact and interconnection with brain, especially with different parts of the brain. What actually happens inside the brain when you start listening to music? Have you ever thought what actually happens inside? How can the brain interpret music? This is not at all a simple process as it sounds. The moment you start listening to music, the music actually gets broken down into individual notes. The brain has then to undergo a complex process of prediction and learning to actually interpret the music. So the moment you start listening to music, different parts of the brain undergo complex process or procedures. So it is an interconnected action of different parts of the brain, which helps you understand music. In general, the moment you start listening to music, you are actually letting your brain work out. In a nutshell, music can reduce anxiety, stress, symptoms of depression. It can improve your memory. It can boost the immune system. It can reduce seizures. It can make you stronger. It can help you improve your communication. Brain can also evoke memories. Have a good, great think about it.